Planning to move your belongings overseas? International relocation can be complex, but with the right strategy, it can be organized and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps you need for a successful move abroad. The earlier you plan your overseas move, the better. International moving involves shipping arrangements, customs requirements, and long transit times. Starting early gives you flexibility and time to prepare everything correctly. Selecting an experienced international mover is key. Look for professionals who specialize in overseas relocations. They understand global logistics, secure packing, and destination requirements, helping your move run smoothly. Packing for overseas transit is different from local moves. Your belongings will travel longer and may be handled multiple times. Use sturdy packing materials and secure fragile items with extra protection. Clear labeling and proper protection help prevent damage and make customs processing easier. Every country has its own customs rules. Accurate documentation is essential for a smooth clearance. Prepare a detailed inventory of your items, include descriptions and values, and organize all paperwork in advance. Good documentation prevents delays and unexpected charges at the border. You can ship your belongings overseas by sea freight or air freight. Sea freight is more affordable for large shipments, but takes longer. Air freight is faster, but costs more, making it ideal for essentials and urgent items. Select the best option based on your budget and schedule needs. Sometimes your belongings may arrive before you do or before your new home is ready. In this case, secure storage at your destination gives you flexibility and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you prepare for moving your belongings overseas, hit like and subscribe for more expert moving advice.